So today I thought we would do a fiddly fig repot because this guy has had some growth and we need to get him in a bigger pot. So if you can kind of check out this situation here, it's kind of in need of some repair. It's overgrown. So today we are going to repot this bad boy and we are going to give him some good fertilizer and we are going to hope that maybe some of these brown spots go away. So let's get started. This is a big endeavor. I actually thought about maybe taking off one of these smaller ones just because like the lighting situation that I have him in is creating some problems. So I thought maybe if I made a new one and stuck it in front of a different window or gifted it to a friend or maybe a family member, that, you know, maybe if I take away some of what's going on down here, that maybe, I don't know, we'll just see where this takes us today. So let's just get into it. Let's get this guy out of the pot first, see if we can separate anything. All right, this might take a little bit of muscle. This is very heavy. No, I don't know what I'm doing. I've never done this before. All right. I don't want to hurt anything because I know, like, if you touch a leaf on these bad boys, they get all they get mad at you and they fall off and die. Let me see what's going on here first. Whoopsie. No. I can't do any of that. All right, plan B. Just stick them straight in. Let's see. Okay, so he is very heavy, by the way. I know that he looks small. I think he weighs more than I do. I don't know. Oh, God. Oh my God. Okay. Okay. So, I guess, you know, the roots are so overgrown that I'm thinking that this is the right size pot. You know, I might need to put some soil in the bottom though to like lift it up maybe to the lip, which would be about right there. That looks about right. Because, you know, I need a bigger tree. Clearly I need a bigger tree. Because you know what happens when you pot up is you're gonna get a bigger tree. Oh well, let's do it. Let's go whole hog. All right, let's get this guy back over here. Gotta get some, hold on there. Sorry, gotta get some soil in the bottom of this. Probably about that much soil in the bottom of this one. That's what we're gonna do. All right. These don't usually come standard. Let's make sure I didn't push anything else off in here. It's like finding buried treasure. Good. So I got some soil on the bottom. We put that in there. Yeah. Shoot. I shouldn't have put it back in there. I should have put it in there. Oh well. All right. 1, 2, 3, go. I don't know if you've ever seen those olive oil and Popeye cartoons, but I'm kind of feeling like that right now. All right. This is not happening. I need your help. Oh my God, I can't get it out of the pot. Ah, yay! All right, good. Success. All right, cool. All right, good. Yes. All right, there we go. Clearly my agenda of not making a mess has succeeded. The roots need to be under some soil, obviously. And because this was so root bound, I think that that's pretty much one of the main reasons why this guy's not so happy. I feel like the light might be the problem. It's not getting light on all the leaves that it wants to get light. It wants to get light that comes down on it. And in my house, there's filtered light coming at one angle and I probably haven't turned it enough on a regular basis, so that might be the reason for some of the brown spots. Yeah, let's just see how this plays out, because I don't know, this is like a new experiment for me. So I feel like potting it and giving it a better home is probably step one. All right, it's all about getting into the soil. So how are you today? I'm good, sort of. No, I'm lying, actually, I'm not good. Quarantine is driving me insane. I feel like everyone's grumpy. Yeah, and they are too. No, I don't feel it. I think everyone's grumpy. Everyone's going a little crazy right now, I think. Including me. Check it out. Look, I'm cleaning up dirt off my floor. Yeah, hardwood floor is really nice. Great. Good thing it's not carpet, right? So, yeah. So I'm living large over here and trying not to go crazy. Not really large. I mean, I guess I am kind of large, but larger than normal. Quarantine has less exercise involved, apparently. Let's pat this down. This is part of therapy. Not being aggressive, just patting. Just, you know, patting. Now, I've met some IG people. Instagram, for those of you who don't know what IG means. Yeah, I'm super savvy. And they have some really interesting ways that they have like drainage on the top. So I've been kind of like watching and seeing what other experts are doing with their like fiddly figs and their monsteras and their very special rare plants and everything. So I'm like sort of thinking that maybe I need to do a top dress on this guy, because the roots are kind of so high up that, I don't know, I have to like really kind of feel it out. There's gotta be a better way. That's all I gotta say. There's gotta be a better. There's new growth. I mean, that's a good thing. Look, this is all new. I'm not a complete failure. No, there's new growth. It's not just one leaf. It's like a whole branch. So I must be doing something right. But no, anyway, my tangent on the whole Instagram people that have rare plants, it's been like sort of like a therapy thing for me, because I've been watching like them with their like rare plants. And I've been looking at how they do it, and you know, these people are serious. Like, they're not like joking around. They spend like $5,000 on a plant, on one singular plant. Like, hey, I would really like a variegated Monstera addisonii. I would really like a Thai constellation. Do I really want to spend $500 on a plant? I don't know. I think I do. I think I do. Oops. Sorry, kids. Sorry about your college tuition. That makes me a bad person, doesn't it? Yeah, it does. Oh well. We'll see how it pans out. So I don't have enough soil. I gotta go get more soil. I'll be right back. I'm crooked and creaky and I can't see enough. Soil, repotting. What the heck? What am I doing? Talking about exotic plants, what crazy plant people do. I guess I need scissors to open the bag. Hello, I am back and I have soil. Alright, so it's too much soil, actually. I'm just trying to get it to stand up. It's not aggressive, I swear. Okay, alright, so here's the soil, because, yeah, I don't care anymore. My nails, they're not going to get done. Guess why they're not getting done? Quarantine. Why? I don't know. There's no nail salon open within a 1,000-mile radius. Yeah, no eyelashes, no nails. Yes, I was high maintenance at one time. Guess what? Not anymore. Do you care, Whiskey, if I'm not beautiful anymore? Was I beautiful all the time? He thinks he's in trouble. Yeah, so what has quarantine taught me? I don't know. Number one, I might be a little high maintenance. A teeny tiny bit. Did I ever care though? I always got my nails in the soil. Now they just look really rancid. Like I've stuck my hands in like toxic waste. And like, I'm like, hi kids. And they're like, ah. I'm like, oh, I'm sorry. I haven't had my nails done. I'm like, I don't know, 8 weeks. My bad. Why do I need my nails done? I don't know. Why do I need my nails done? I don't know. I don't know. I like it. I like it. Pampering. I don't know. I like the feeling of living on the edge, you know, like living dangerously and like having a drill, like just like right on my nail bed. It's like, you know, torture. I don't know. Sick person. I have no idea. I like the long, leggy look. So I guess that's might be one of the reasons why I like those long, leggy plants. I have no idea. I really don't know. There really is no excuse. I'm just trying to find one real quick, you know, to like justify my my need for a nail salon right now. And it's not just a tiny little need. It's more like, oh my God, I need a pedicure like right now because I can feel the jagged edges of my toes underneath my sheets. Hello? Can anyone please give me a high five on that? Because like to admit that is like, I don't know, ew. Like, am I right? Gross. Jagged edges under the sheets. Okay, I patted the dirt down. All right, here we go. Okay, so this is what I'm thinking. Can you come in a little closer? All right, so here we have, I would say, what amounts to a 1-inch lip, because when you water it, what don't you want on a wood floor? Well, let's think about that for a second, shall we? I have wood floors. Watering this and having water go on the wood floor would be definitely a bad thing because, like, I don't know, you've got warping, you've got mold, and you've got, you know, decrease in value of home if it goes over the lip. So we want to make sure it's below the lip. And if you have carpet, it's mold and black mold and all those other fun little things. So make sure that you've got like an inch. I would like put my hand down and make sure that you can definitely like plane it. Because if you're putting water on it, you don't want it to go, ooh, that was ugly. Anyway, okay, so make sure that you have about an inch. You don't want to pack it too much, but you want to pack it down enough so that you know like, hey, it's good. What else? I would fertilize this probably maybe in a couple weeks because this guy already comes with ultimate built-in fertilizer, so you don't really need to fertilize it right away. Mm-hmm. In fact, if you wanted to be lazy, you could go probably, let's look at what the package says, shall we? You wanted to be lazy. It says that you could, it says it feeds up to 6 months. I don't know if I'd go 6 months, but I mean, hey, it does say that it does feed 6 months. But remember, we had a giant root ball that was like this size. And I'm pretty sure that root ball was pretty stripped of nutrients because I have not been a good at fertilizing. So, yeah. It's notorious for getting brown spots if you touch it ever so gently or if you're walking by it and bump into it. Summer Rain Oaks has often said that even if she walks by her fig, her fiddly fig, that she notices a brown spot if she bumps into it. So they're very picky about their environment. They require high humidity, indirect sunlight, and yeah, they're kind of a high maintenance-ish plant. So just kind of food for thought there. I am lucky that I have any new growth at all. But this is the kind of a plant that likes for you to kind of set it and forget it, I guess, and don't bother it too much. Don't overwater it. It hates to be overwatered. Root rot is, you just don't want the roots sitting in any water or anything. Now, I've seen other YouTubers online that have separated. If I wanted to, could I separate this? Yes. I'm scared to, though. Why am I scared? I don't want any extra damage happening to the rest of the plant. I'm trying to make this plant be happy. And I feel like if I separate this, I will cause damage to the new guy right here, who's this new baby, who I absolutely adore. And I would love to give my daughter a section of this plant, honestly. I would love to propagate it. I have to figure it out, though. I'm not there yet. This is step one, getting it into a new home. Maybe if we have an offshoot over here, it would be much easier to separate it. But right now it seems like everything is just all intertwined. All right, what else do I want to say about this? If you're not giving it enough sunlight, if you're bumping into it, this is gonna happen. This, you're gonna get leaves falling off. There were much more leaves. There was a few that fell off. It's honestly looks pretty decent in the car. It's a Monet. Can't look at it up close. Pretty, really pretty plant. It's actually not too unhappy, but there are a few brown spots. But again, some of the imperfections in nature, you know, that's what you're gonna have sometimes. What else? This is my second fiddly fig. I have another one that I'm gonna bring out and show you in just a second. That one also needs to be repotted because it has grown out of its pot. Let's take a look at the other fiddly fig. Okay, so here we are. The second ficus, Lauratica, the fiddly fig. It's very heavy, not gonna lie. So this one, I thought I was getting all tricky on it and I put soil on the top thinking it was gonna actually do something. Not. Okay, let's look at these roots real quick. Thank you for joining me. Please hit that subscribe button if you want to continue to, you know, be notified and watch, you know, what I'm posting here. And I'm here for you every Monday and Thursday and talk about plants and we talk about, well, I'm kind of looking for things to talk about, honestly. I've had a few ideas and I don't know, kind of want to know what you guys want to talk about. I mean, obviously you're here for plants. But if you want to hear about other stuff, like, I don't know, whatever, then let's talk about it. Just tell me in the comments below what you are interested in hearing. And hit that like button if you liked this repotting video. And yeah, so I will be seeing you here next time. And yeah, so bye.